Good afternoon, traders. Joseph here from Eightcap. So the two key moving currencies overnight were definitely the pound and the CAD in terms of the majors. We're just having a look at the pound USD at the moment. So this is election driven basically. Trade is one of the factors, but the pound's movements lately we'd definitely be seeing due to the current situation in the polls in the UK. It was reported that the Conservatives, which Boris Johnson is the leader of, have a 10-point lead. This is just basically adding to stability, taking away some of the uncertainty, and we saw another fantastic rally from the pound to the dollar, and basically against most currencies overnight. So it did pull back against the CAD, but we'll talk about the CAD shortly. So we can see here we had this strong 115.5 pip rally higher. That's taken us back up to levels basically not really that we haven't seen since going back into the middle of this year. We do have another high here, and if things can keep continuing on, and it's going to be interesting next week to see if the Conservatives do win, how traders are going to take to that. Will we see, buy the rumour, sell the fact, or will we see just a continuation of this strong rally? So it's basically now really is a confirmed breakout. We did speak about that consolidation. That level was just cleared in a breeze last night. So we'll take a quick look at the pound yen before we move on to the CAD. So we can see again not as strong as what we saw on the pound dollar, but again a very strong rally, just blitzing and breaking well above that resistance point. So for now it does look like we do have a new leg higher underway, and it's going to get interesting again once we move into next week when we see the election in the UK getting a little bit closer. So now moving on to the CAD. Was an interesting one overnight, as we were talking about that level earlier in the week, and we've now really seen that it not only stopped buyers in their tracks, but it did, with the help of the Bank of Canada, turn into something a little bit more. So the CAD really jumped last night, and that was due to, well, the rates hold wasn't a surprise, but it was more from what was said in the statement from the Bank of Canada that got the CAD really moving. Oil was another big influence. Oil had a very strong move last night, which helped the CAD as well. We'll quickly just take a look at oil after we just have a quick look at this. So the key points we're seeing at the moment is this medium-term trend's been broken. We had some consolidation here that's also been broken. So what we're looking for is the next rally to really start to determine if we've got a new short-term to medium-term trend down on our hands. So we will wait and see at how the next rally progresses. So finally, just quickly we'll have a look at oil. We can see that strong rally in oil overnight. Now that was due to inventory numbers coming out and due to today's OPEC meetings, where the general consensus is that we're going to be looking for production cuts going into 2020. We get to have that confirmed, or how deep or how long those cuts will be, but definitely traders are pretty bullish on oil right now. So we're sitting at this level of resistance. This is a key to strong point of resistance, and for this trend to really continue going, we really want to see a break not only at this level but of this level here as well. So we'll see how this progresses. Watch it with crude today, with the OPEC meetings. If things don't work in the right way, we could see some selling, but if things do work in the right way, we could see a break at that level there. So have a fantastic trading day, and until the next video, bye for now.